Flag making on Fox Square.
And here to show us how to make the perfect American flag is the owner of Metal Art of Wisconsin and our show's friend, Shane Henderson.
Hey, thanks for having us, guys.
Well, making one at home, it starts with this machine, which not a lot of us have.
Yep, so this is how it all started for us at Metal Art of Wisconsin. Augusta is using this Axiom Precision CNC machine, great for a home or basement, and you can make flags just like we do.
It's like a video game.
Kind of, yeah. A controller. You can download the files right off the internet and plug them in and
put your designs in, and you told me, but then hand finish it at the end.
Yeah, there's a lot of handwork afterwards, but the flag up here was made on this, so.
Came off that, and wow, very cool. What else you got?
So here's our, bread and butter, our handmade flags. Wavio Glory.
Oh, Rosie the Riveter.
Rosie the Riveter,
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Rose
I got you. Oh my gosh, yeah.
I got you.
That was quick.
Okay, and scoot on down
I
here.
didn't see there was a
Rosie.
picture. I'm sorry. I would have been able to help out.
So here's our concealment products here. So these open up. Great for Father's Day. Free shipping on the website, freedomcabinet.com.
You can get anything designed to the front if you want it.
Biometric. Flips open.
Thumbprint. Oh, yeah. Nice.
This is our stealth mirror here. We'll skip over that, but that
Stealth
opens with your
mirror.
phone too.
Okay.
We'll go over here to the kids that are making our flags.
So you don't need a machine for these flags?
No, these are safe chemicals that do patina on the steel. We're using vinyl stripes.
Okay.
And they're applying the chemicals that are safe to use as about Windex, and it discolors and looks like that flag right there when they're all done.
Oh, it ends
Very
up looking
cool.
like this. Oh, you guys figuring it out?
So what, you sell like
Kind
a
of.
kit so kids can do this?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
yep, it's available on the website. And
What a great activity for 4th of July. That's awesome.
Yep, and it's super safe too. So
Awesome.
just rinse it off with the water when you're done, and then clear coat it.
So that one looks kind of done right there.
This one's done. She's got to peel her stars and spray some more chemicals on the stars, and
If she
should be good
waits
to go.
longer, does it become more patinaed or more
Yeah,
something?
if you leave it on too long, it like turns black. You can see.
Gotcha.
And that's an easy bend flag there, Pete.
Even you can make a flag.
Even I can make a flag. Yeah. I have one of these in my office. I think I have like 5 of your things, Shane.
Yeah, I think
They're
so.
amazing.
All right, there we go.
How many years ago did you start doing this?
2013 we started, and you had us on in 2019 and changed everything for us. So
Awesome.
thank you very much.
What do you got? Are we going to see what happens with the mirror?
Yep. Here, hold on one second. So this is the stealth mirror. Hit it with your phone app. All your goodies.
Look at that.
We're on a hill here, so it's kind of.
It's like a gangster's paradise.
Yeah, it is. It's cool, and it's got printed foam inside. That's a new. This is a new offering that we have is printed foam, so we can do a patriotic foam.
Yeah, Will, you got the cash? What else is in there?
Cash.
That's great.
Pete might make that exchange.
I might actually. Depends on what kind of get that passport.
In the back here, we have our big giant butcher block flags. These are
They're
a work of
beautiful.
art. These are
Yeah, this
No
is
doubt. And this is the website, freedomcabinet.com.
Yep, free shipping, Father's Day.